This video is going to go over different types of data. We are going to classify data into two separate categories. The first category we're going to look at is called actual categorical, and the second type of data we're going to look at is numerical. So our branches go off. Categorical can be something that can be sorted into groups or specific categories. Often these types of data are displayed in bar graphs, circle graphs. You could use pie charts to help you represent your word response to a question. Then on the opposite side, we have numerical data, and this type of information is something you can measure. It's also something that you could put in order from least to greatest, or your answer would be a number response. And the best type of graphs to display this type of information is a line graph or a dot plot. Works best when representing numerical information. A couple questions to think about to sort is what is your favorite color? When you answer this question, you would give a word response of red, blue, purple, orange, green, white, black. So that would be categorical. What's your height? You might say that you are 62 inches, or you might say that you're 5'2". So that is a number response. When you answer the question for how tall you are, you would use a number. Then what type of pet do you have? You would use a word response, like a dog, a cat, a turtle, a fish, a snake. Then how old are you? You could say it in years or months, depending on the age of the person. So you would say a number response. I'm 6 years old. I'm 12 years old. If you're talking about a small child, you might say it's only 8 months old, but you still are doing a number response. And then the last one, how did you get to school? You would have a word response, because you would say you rode the bus, your parents dropped you off in a car, or you walked to school, or you rode your bike. So it would be a word response. So those are just a couple examples of types of data and how to classify them into the two categories.